What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to install PyCharm. First open your favorite browser and search for download PyCharm. Open the first page over here. There are two versions of PyCharm. One of them is professional one, it's paid. The community version is free one, and we are going to install community version. Okay, the exe file is installed now. We have to wait for. Okay guys, mine is installed now, and now we can open it. Click next. Select destination folder and click next. If you want the create desktop shortcut, you have to check this text box and click next. Click install. Okay, the setup file is completed successfully. Now we can finish it. I am going to open PyCharm. I am going to type print hello world for making sure it's working. Okay guys, we can run this code by clicking this button. The output is hello world. The PyCharm is working correctly. Thanks for watching. See you soon.